Ever wonder how your favorite treat is made? Join us as we unwrap the incredible journey of chocolate, from a simple bean to the delicious bar you love. Our story begins in lush tropical plantations, where farmers carefully harvest vibrant, ripe cocoa pods directly from the trees. This is where the magic of chocolate truly starts, with a fruit that holds the promise of something wonderful inside. Once harvested, the journey continues with processing. The beans are scooped from the pods and laid out to ferment, a crucial step that develops their deep, complex flavors. Afterwards, they're spread under the warm sun to dry, preparing them for the next stage of their transformation. Next, the dried beans arrive at the factory and are tipped into large industrial roasters. As they tumble and heat, a rich, unmistakable aroma fills the air, signaling the development of that classic chocolatey taste we all know and adore. After roasting, the beans go through a process called winnowing. Specialized machines crack open the beans and blow away the light outer shells, leaving behind the pure, broken pieces of cocoa known as nibs. This is the heart of the chocolate. These nibs are then finely ground, transforming from a solid into a thick, dark, and flowing liquid called cocoa liquor. This isn't alcohol. It's the very essence of pure, unadulterated chocolate, ready to be crafted into something sweet. Now the artistry begins. In massive mixers, the cocoa liquor is combined with sugar, and for milk chocolate, creamy milk powder. Other ingredients might be added here to create the unique flavors of different chocolate varieties. To achieve that melt-in-your-mouth texture, the mixture is passed through a series of heavy rollers in a process called refining. This grinds the particles down until they are incredibly fine, ensuring the final product is perfectly smooth on the tongue. Following that, the paste enters a conching machine. For hours, it's continuously stirred and aerated, a process that further develops the flavor, removes any bitterness, and creates an exquisitely silky texture. One of the most critical steps is tempering. The chocolate is carefully cooled and reheated to precise temperatures. This stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals, giving the finished chocolate its signature glossy shine and satisfying snap when you break a piece. Finally, the smooth liquid chocolate is poured into molds of every imaginable shape and size, from classic bars to intricate figures. These filled molds then travel through long cooling tunnels to solidify perfectly. Once cooled, the chocolates are released from their molds and move along an assembly line, where they are wrapped and boxed, ready to be sent out into the world. From a humble bean on a tropical tree to a beautifully wrapped bar, the journey of chocolate is a fascinating blend of nature and craftsmanship. A world of flavor, all starting from a single pod. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories behind the things you love.